Welcome to Power Surge. In this video, I'm reviewing the Realsee Galois P4. Along the way, I'll compare the results against the original construction drawings, evaluate the AI-generated floor plan, and determine how well the data performs inside ReCap and Revit. The original construction drawings for my house show an overall building length of 14,935 millimeters. After scanning the property with the Realsee P4 and measuring the resulting point cloud in ReCap, the same dimension measured 14,926 millimeters. That's a difference of just 9 millimeters across almost 15 meters of building length. So how does the rest of the Scan-to-BIM workflow perform? For this test, I scanned my house using the Realsee P4. The capture includes both interior and exterior spaces, along with a mix of bright sunlight, deep shadow, and detailed architectural elements. The interior and exterior were captured separately before being merged into a single project for evaluation. Throughout this video, I'll be looking at visual clarity, detail extraction, accuracy, AI-generated floor plans, and how the resulting data performs inside ReCap and Revit. The property was captured as separate interior and exterior projects before being merged into a single dataset. This provided an opportunity to test the scanner across a range of different environments, including direct sunlight, deep shade, and interior spaces. Before starting the capture process, the initial setup is straightforward. After powering on the Realsee Galois P4, I simply opened the Realsee app on my mobile device. The app immediately detected the scanner and prompted me to connect to its Wi-Fi network. Within a few moments, the device was connected. For a workflow that may involve dozens of scan positions, a quick and uncomplicated setup process helps get you on site and collecting data faster. Before starting the scan, I also had the option to define the capture settings, allowing me to configure the project to suit the requirements of the survey. One of the features I appreciated during capture was the scanning speed. Each scan position takes approximately 16 seconds to complete, making it practical to move through a property efficiently. On a residential project such as this, that helps keep the capture process moving without long waits between scan locations. Faster scan times also make it easier to capture additional positions where required. This can be particularly useful around complex geometry or areas with limited visibility. Ultimately, the quality of the final dataset is heavily influenced by scan placement, so reducing the time required at each position is a practical advantage. As each scan position is captured, the data is automatically aligned and combined to build a digital representation of the property. This allows the floor plan and spatial layout to develop progressively throughout the capture process, providing immediate feedback on coverage and scan quality. As additional scan positions are added, the model becomes more complete. The Galois P4 also supports blind capture. Using the integrated touchscreen, I can perform scans directly from the device without carrying a phone or tablet throughout the capture process. Before we continue, Realsee have provided viewers of this channel with an exclusive discount. If you're interested in the Galois P4, you can save $300 by using promo code Sergio Barata. I'll also leave a link and the code in the video description. I captured both the interior and exterior of the property as separate scans. This provided an opportunity to evaluate the scanner across a range of different environments, including bright sunlight, deep shade, and interior spaces. Once the capture process was complete, the project was uploaded for processing. This generates the Realsee Showcase, which becomes the foundation for reviewing the captured data and continuing the Scan-to-BIM workflow. For BIM workflows, image quality isn't simply about creating attractive visuals. The real question is whether building elements remain identifiable after the site visit is complete. In this example, I measured the underside of the alfresco roof structure directly from the point cloud in ReCap. This allowed the structure to be accurately positioned and modeled within Revit without requiring additional site measurements. One of the major challenges with scanning is lighting. This property includes a mix of direct sunlight, deep shadow, and interior spaces with strong daylight entering through windows, which is a great test of the P4's HDR management. Despite these changing conditions, key building elements remain clearly identifiable throughout the model. Reflective surfaces, such as glazing and splashbacks, remain challenging elements for any reality capture workflow. Beyond taking measurements, ReCap also provides tools for isolating and managing specific building elements. Using section planes, I was able to isolate the kitchen splashback from the surrounding geometry and assign it to a separate layer. This makes it easier to manage, review, and highlight specific elements when working with the point cloud in Revit. Looking at the point cloud from above also provides a useful indication of overall capture quality. The wall geometry is represented by clean, well-defined edges that clearly describe the building footprint and room layout. The next question is whether the captured dimensions can actually be trusted. I wanted to compare the captured data against a known dimension from the original construction drawings. To ensure the comparison was valid, the original floor plan was first scaled to a known dimension. The drawings indicate an overall building length of 14,935 mm. I then measured the same dimension directly from the point cloud in ReCap. One of the features I particularly like in ReCap is the ability to quickly and accurately interrogate the point cloud using its measurement tools. Measuring the same building length within ReCap produced a result of 14,926 mm. That's a difference of just 9 mm across almost 15 meters of building length. I then took the comparison one step further by evaluating the AI-generated floor plan produced within the Realsee platform. The Realsee AI floor plan measured 14,967 mm. Compared to the original drawings, this represents a difference of 32 mm. While the AI-generated floor plan is not intended to replace a BIM model, it does provide a useful and reasonably accurate representation of the building layout immediately after capture. Comparing all three sources side by side demonstrates not only the accuracy of the captured point cloud, but also the maturity of the overall Scan-to-BIM workflow. With confidence established in the captured data, the next step was to bring the point cloud into Revit and begin the modeling process. As with any Scan-to-BIM workflow, establishing the correct origin and project positioning is an important first step. Once imported, the point cloud can then be used as a reference for developing the BIM model. Good file management practices also become increasingly important when working with large point cloud datasets. To help manage model performance, the point cloud was assigned to a dedicated workset within Revit. This allows the point cloud to be controlled independently from the model geometry and provides greater flexibility when managing visibility. In this project, the point cloud is only displayed in a dedicated working view, helping to minimize the impact on overall model performance while still providing access to the captured data when required. As mentioned earlier, the interior and exterior of the property were captured as separate projects. Within the Realsee admin console, these projects can be merged to create a single unified dataset. The merge process itself is straightforward and only takes a few steps to complete. For this project, combining the interior and exterior scans resulted in a complete digital representation of the property, providing a seamless transition between internal and external spaces. For Scan-to-BIM workflows, having access to a unified dataset simplifies navigation, improves context, and provides a more complete understanding of the building geometry prior to export and modeling. The process works by identifying common reference points between the separate captures and using those relationships to align the projects together. In this case, the interior and exterior models shared common building features, such as doors, windows, and wall geometry, which allowed the datasets to be accurately combined. Once merged, the result is a single integrated showcase that provides a seamless transition between internal and external spaces. For Scan-to-BIM workflows, this creates a more complete representation of the building and provides additional context when reviewing and modeling the captured data. One of the most interesting aspects of this workflow is the transition between platforms. The process begins with capture and visualization within the Realsee Showcase, moves into Autodesk ReCap for interrogation, measurement and data management, and finally transitions into Revit for BIM model development. Together, these platforms provide a complete residential scan-to-BIM workflow, taking the project from reality capture through to a fully developed BIM model. After putting the Realsee Galois P4 through a complete residential scan-to-BIM workflow, several things stand out. The capture process was straightforward, with a simple setup procedure, fast scan times, and an efficient workflow from capture through to processing. Throughout the project, the P4 performed well across a range of different conditions, including direct sunlight, deep shadow, and interior spaces with challenging lighting conditions. The resulting dataset contains sufficient detail to support measurement, interrogation, and BIM model development. The ability to isolate, measure, and organize point cloud data within ReCap proved particularly useful when developing the Revit model. One of the strongest aspects of the workflow was the transition between platforms, moving seamlessly from Realsee Showcase into Autodesk ReCap and finally into Revit for model development. Most importantly, when compared against the original construction drawings, the point cloud measured within just 9 mm across almost 15 meters of building length. Overall, the Realsee Galois P4 delivered a consistent and capable scan-to-BIM workflow, producing BIM-ready data that integrated effectively into established Autodesk workflows. For BIM professionals looking to capture, interrogate, and model existing conditions, the P4 represents a compelling addition to the Reality Capture Toolkit. If you decide the P4 is a good fit for your workflow, don't forget you can save $300 using promo code Sergio Barata.